8 corn, tapos syempre, tomahawk. Yan. Magka-tomahawk tayo ngayon kasi dahil Father's Day. Tapos syempre, ang regalo namin sa aming Father's Day is syempre, relo. Yun lang naman ang gusto ng mga lalaki, diba? Relo. Tapos, ayan, syempre, ito na ang ating lulutuin ngayong gabi na to. Dahil mag-celebrate kami ng Father's Day. So, tomahawk at saka corn. Lalagyan natin siya ng olive oil. Para syempre hindi siya masyadong ma-dry. Diba? Mamaya lalagyan natin siya ng maraming butter. Lalagyan na natin siya ng butter. Ay, oh my God. Sorry. Ang hirap mag-video. Ayan na. Oh. Moment of truth. Sobrang bango niya. Grabe. Daming butter. Oh my God. Nice.
And you are
What is happening?
Kakasa? If you don't smile properly.
Later, Mama asked you to take again.
Happy Father's Day, Papa.
Papa.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. Yay!
Now they put 5 and put the 5.
Tenchi blow! You see, he ran away. I quit. Tenchi so naughty. Come on.
Okay, go.
You blood for me.
Dino.
Zero.
Did you need payback?
Salaiba!
Okay, no.
Sunod.